सीएमाक लेटर बरयला तर घरा बी कितें आसा थंयसर लोकांक कितले इम्पॅक्ट जातले
पळय जे NDZ म्हूण बरयला घातला there is a notified list which was done. It was the final list which was notified. ते अंडर म्हणजे दॅट रिपोर्ट अंडर कितें ते Araujo report. If it is under that, nobody has any objection. People knew final notify झाला ते उंचे सर्वे नंबर. हे नोटिफिकेशन कशें येयला जे पयले प्रपोज केल्ले प्रोविजनल लिस्ट आहा ती सगळी घातला. इट इज नॉट द फायनल नोटिफाईड लिस्ट. देर इज अ मिस्टेक डन बाय द दिस आय थिंक TCP डिपार्टमेंट विच आय ब्रॉट टू द नोटीस ऑफ chief town planner. You notifying what is already finally notified and not use the provisional list. So that correction I think they are making. There is no problem. I had spoken to Honorable DCP Minister. He said nobody will be troubled and they will be correcting the situation.
घरा बी आसा सर कितें तर घरा बी आसा सर
घरा आसा बंगलो आसा म्हणजे सबडिवायडेड प्लॉट्स आहा and all are legal and who had given permission for these bungalows, for this subdivision? Town planning only, no? Now how can you suddenly classify it? There is no development zone.
So blindly असे कशें करता सर blindly असे कशें करता का म्हणटा
You ask the authorities. म्हाका विचार नाका. म्हणून I want to be on record. I am very clear. That's why I gave it in writing. कित्याक फाल्यां कोणें म्हणपाक जायना रे तुवें आपले नोदरे हाडपाचें. म्हजें कर्तव्य म्हजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आनी जे कोण लोकल आहा हें कितें जाता लोकला मार बसता. जे नो डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा 100% लोकल थिंगा 1% सुद्धा भायले ना.
कितले पर्सेंट इम्पॅक्ट जाता आसली सर कितले पर्सेंट लोक इम्पॅक्ट जाता
पर्सेंटेज हांवें वर्कआउट करूं ना बट वेन द होल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी केम टू मी फ्रॉम डिफरंट पार्ट्स then it is time for me to act. No, that's why I have written a letter. And I am sure the Honorable Minister for Town Planning has seen it through and he will solve the problem.
Don't you think, sir, as a Panchayat Minister, the number of places NDZ are इथून काढला, is it a good sign or what it is?
My thing is, as long as Goans are not affected, Goans have, means आमकां दिसता एक चित्र अशें दिसता गोंयकार सगळे विकून गेले ना. There are majority of Goans who are having their properties. Why? And फाल्यां सकाळी तेंचे नो डेव्हलपमेंट एरिया केली or नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन केले कितें करतले आमचे गोंयकार? That is what I am concerned for the Goans.